G'day, it's Christian here at Jono Johno, and today we are assembling our log horse with chainsaw mount. Okay, so to begin we need to attach the feet to the legs. We want to use the medium-sized bolts to attach the feet. Do this on the bottom bolt hole of every leg. Ensure that each foot is securely tightened, but can still tilt. Next, attach the legs together. You'll notice that the longer legs have nuts welded onto them. Make sure that these are facing inwards. Also make sure that you attach the legs together with the mounting plate on the outside. You want to make sure that they are tight, but stiff enough to not move when upright. Next, we attach the support beam between the legs. Ensure they are nice and tight. Do this to both sides. Now take both the log support plates and the Allen bolts, as well as the two larger bolts. Line up the log support plate, the one without the brackets, to the nuts on the legs. Hand tighten with the Allen bolts. Do this for all three on each side. Now take the other log support plate and line up the brackets with the bolt holes on the legs. Place the bolt through and tighten. Finish tightening everything up. Alright, so now we have all the remaining parts so that we can attach the chainsaw holder. To begin, take the chainsaw holder bracket and insert it into the leg. Ensure it is facing the correct way. Now attach the support arm and tighten it. Make sure it does have a slight angle. Next, place the rod through the support arm and tighten with the eye bolt. Now attach the chainsaw mount to the holding bracket. Secure it with the R-clip. Ensure it moves freely up and down. This is so you can cut logs when a saw is attached. Place the eye bolt into the mount. You do not need to tighten this until you have a saw in it, as this secures the saw in place. Now with the longest bolt, we attach the chain guard. Finally, place all the safety caps on. And there you have it, fully assembled log horse with chainsaw mount. The saw bar is clamped between these two faces. So you want to slide the saw in. Clamp the bar, make sure that the clamp is in the center of the bar. Use the tube wrench to tighten the clamp. You need to make sure that this is secure. Make sure that when the guard is down, it clears the chainsaw chain. The bar and chain should also be centered in the guard. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one, and happy cutting.